At the dawn of the digital era, our homes have evolved into sanctuaries brimming with technological marvels. Smart gadgets, from voice-activated assistants to intelligent lighting systems, signify that we have stepped into the future we once only dreamt about. However, this convenience comes with an irony. A significant share of these ingenious devices often ends up underutilized, gathering dust. Yet, here's an intriguing thought. What if these dormant devices could serve as a source of passive income, enhancing your financial health with minimal effort on your part? Consider every underutilized device as an untapped reservoir for earning potential. This journey from idle technology to active income generation requires a new perspective, one we will explore together, revealing just how rewarding monetizing your tech can be. Delving deeper into how smart technology can financially empower us, we discover a prime opportunity: renting out our smart gadgets. Imagine for a moment your Wi-Fi-enabled coffee maker or your latest VR headset contributing to your income as you slumber. Begin by evaluating which gadgets are essential and which lie dormant. The latter present your first venture into the rental market. Utilizing platforms specialized in tech rentals can significantly ease this process, offering a comprehensive solution from marketing to transactions and even insuring your devices. Setting up is straightforward. By showcasing your gadgets through high-quality photos and clear descriptions, and setting a competitive yet fair price, you establish trust with potential renters. As we transition to the upcoming segment, we'll tackle challenges, drawing on the success stories of others who've navigated this path, transforming underutilized tech into valuable income streams. Embracing the venture of converting smart gadgets into passive income avenues brings its share of challenges, including the apprehension about initial investments and the nuances of managing rentals. Nevertheless, the experiences of predecessors in this realm serve as beacons, illuminating the pathway to success. Investment in smart home technology is an investment in the future, with its ever-increasing demand, rendering these gadgets highly desirable for rental. Modern platforms simplify rental management, offering automated scheduling and hassle-free payment options. Stories from individuals who once contemplated the same concerns you might have now not only demonstrate the viability of this venture, but also showcase how strategic planning and leveraging community insights can lead to a sustained income stream. These narratives are not just inspiring for their results, but for the journeys that shaped them, affirming the immense potential tech rentals have in achieving financial growth. As we delve into optimizing your tech rental venture for maximum earnings, it's crucial to achieve a balance in pricing that meets demand while keeping your offerings competitive. Expanding your gadget collection diversifies your portfolio, enhancing its appeal to a wider audience keen on the latest in smart technology. Equally important is responding to feedback, using it as a tool to refine and perfect your rental offerings. This dedication to excellence not only improves the rental experience, but also positions you as a preferred provider of top-tier tech rentals. Navigating through these strategies, we inch closer to the essence of building a sustainable and profitable tech rental empire, ensuring your gadgets continually contribute to your income. Through the journey of transforming technological investments into passive income, we've uncovered the broader impact of tech rentals. Far from being a mere avenue for quick financial gain, this venture lays the groundwork for a sustainable income source. Envision a future where the costs of your smart gadgets are not just recouped, but are the foundation of a financial legacy. Tech rentals offer a pathway to freedom, a dream where your investments continuously yield returns. This venture isn't just about the immediate, it's about crafting a dependable, lucrative income stream. As we forge ahead, remember that every step taken is another brick laid in your growing empire of tech rentals. Your journey into the realm of passive income is just beginning, but the possibilities are already expansive.